Dave Woodend. Thanks for joining us here in the charge. Tune into the market based dish. Fellow competitors speaking. And looks like SNDL is still under some sell pressure. The 24 hours has expired for SNDL. So I'm going to give you my final verdict here. And I'll let everyone know what I've done with my position or what I'm going to be doing with my position here in the short term. So welcome back, loyal subscribers. If you're new here, consider joining us. We've been covering SNDL for some time. Let's go ahead and pull up the ascending line, the horizontal line, and explain what I'm seeing here. Yeah, let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right. So today's April the 15th, 2021, and the previous close of SNDL is going to be 90 cents. It closed negative approximately 8.1% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. So let's just pull up the same lines, guys. Same lines. That's it. Super simple. Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at the same ascending line that we've been following as SNDL have found support at this ascending financial support line, which appears that it's no longer financial support anymore. But let's just give the price action some time. November the 1st, or like November the 22nd, 2020. This ascending line has acted as support. Now, this is still an active candle. I realize we gave SNDL 24 hours. That was on the daily time frame. So let's go ahead and put up the daily here. So notice that on the next daily candle, the buyer stepped in. This would make more sense if you actually watched the previous video. I'll leave a link for you. It's probably popping up right now. Just check that video out and just kind of come back. This way you'll understand what I'm talking about with the daily candles. Excuse me, sorry. This daily candle on April the 13th, 2021. Followed by this April the 13th candle, what should have happened is the market should have at least got back above the $1 level. That did not happen. This is not an ideal setup, guys. I'm not interested in SNDL anymore. No. Not here in the short term. I'll just let SNDL do what it's going to do. I'm not seeing any strength. This is not financial strength to me. Unless there's some explosion tomorrow. So far, this is not normal to what has taken place in the past. I'll just do this very briefly so we'll all be on the same page. I'll just make this red so that you'll see that there has been successfully 3 daily candles to close below this financial support line, ascending line. All right, so let's go over here. Let me just kind of show you. It looks like I adjusted that line a little bit. But this is the green. I'm going to kind of circle this as green because this is only 2 daily candles to close below this financial support line. And you just kind of look over here, guys. I can't make this up. It's arbitrary or not. And you can argue that. That's fine. But these are the daily candles. There's never been 3 consecutive daily candles to close below this ascending financial support line. This was just 2 as the buyers stepped in. Actually remember this day. This was actually pretty monumental when the price went all the way up to like $1. It was a very beautiful day in the SNDL market. The buyers truly showed their strength. But this right here in front of me, no, this is strength here. No, this is three daily candles to close below this line. No. Unless there's unless there's an explosion tomorrow, then that's fine. But it has to get above $1. Yesterday was April the 14th. We literally said that in the video. By April the 14th, if SNDL is above $1, yeah, everything is fine. SNDL is below $1. More specifically, the 98-cent level. This doesn't look good. It's not to me. It's not an ideal setup. Excuse me. So the 3-day here, these are the 3-day candles. Let's just kind of erase that so we can see everything nice, clean, and clear. All right. So it appears that this 3-day candle right here, not that green, sorry. Just cleaning up my charts, guys, All right. So this 3-day candle right here, it's going down. There's still a day and 16 hours to close on this candle. So I'm not going to throw in the towel just yet, but I'm telling you right now, this does not look good. This is typically when the very aggressive buyers step in, but I'm not sure if that's going to happen. Maybe it'll happen, but let's let this close out. The 3-day candle has a day and 16 hours. I think the weekly also has the same amount of time. They will both close simultaneously. We will have new candles on Monday morning, April the 19th, 2021. The weekly and the 3-day needs to pick up its, I wish I can say the word, but it really needs to pick it up, serious, within the next 48 hours. So I'll give SNDL another 48 hours to get above At this point, it needs to get above $1.10. Not even $1 at this point. I need to see strength in this market. I'm not seeing any strength. You SNDL buyers are not picking up this price, and that needs to happen in 48 hours. Okay, I've already sold off most of our contracts just above $1.02, and I think $1.06. Yeah, we're at a loss right now, but yeah, well, what's going on, guys? I mean, the buyers are not stepping into this market. I'm not seeing what's going on. I mean, there's no strength here. You guys got to show some strength. So that's what I wanted to stop in and let everyone know. 48 hours. We've already verified that the daily looks weak. The daily looks weak. Okay? So the buyers, if you guys can't pick this up within 48 hours, that's it. Poop emoji. That's it. Okay? So what did I say? $1. At the very minimum, $1 or $1.10. I'm saying the same thing over and over now, guys. So that's it. $1 or $1.10 at the very minimum, less than 48 hours. I think tomorrow is the last candle anyway, April the 16th, 2021. Yeah, so there's 2 more market days. April the 16th, April the 15th. It's like the wee hours in the morning right now. April the 15th, Thursday today, okay? And then the 16th on Friday. That's it. Okay, capiche? Let's see what you guys have at SNDL buyers. You guys got to pick this market up, or it's going to be a pretty lengthy drawdown in this market. I'm just letting you know that now. So, yeah. Unless there's an explosion. It has to be an explosion. Now that they can't like tinker around here, man. It needs to get above $1.10, and the higher high is going to be at $1.62, $1.63. I realize I think we said $1.75. That still stands true, but it has to explode, guys. It really has to. There's nothing is in between at this point. If it continues lower, like within 48 hours, and it continues to sag off, guys, brace for impact. I'm not saying it's going to be like a nasty dump off, but I think it's going to be a long drawn out, like kind of pulling back a slingshot, right? I truly think that SNDL can reach higher levels eventually, right? But the sellers realize that they actually have an opportunity to regain control, as they've lost control above the 98-cent level, which the market is currently below the 98-cent level. This is the opportunity for the sellers to pretty much just put their foot back on the neck of the buyers in this market right now, and just tell them, listen, you had a little run, but now it's time for us to close our lower positions. And I think the obligation after the sellers close below 98 cents now, in order to make a lower low, would be down here at about 61 cents. What is that from the 3-day? Yeah, so 61 cents. Okay, I'm not going to leave you guys with a million levels, but we'll pull that red line down right now. Okay, I'm not saying this is going to happen. I'm saying if the market is officially being stuck below 98 cents right now within the next 48 hours, preferably, is kind of crucial for me. Okay, this is going to be the most intense 48 hours in SNDL market in some time. 59 cents is the seller's next obligation. If they can keep the price below 98 cents, they're coming for that 59 cents. And they would need to break below that level and follow through with their obligation. That is the seller's obligation. Okay. So hopefully you guys have the levels that we just discussed. 98 cents, $1. Okay. 48 hours. Okay. So leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment to support the channel with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new here, if we've earned your subscription, if this wasn't like super unusual the way that I talk sometimes, we'd love for you to join us here on this interesting journey. And so we also go to the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. So of course, subscribe for that, and we'll send you that out. So that's it. Take care of yourselves. Please have a strategy in these markets that is now required in order to be a part of this channel. I don't want to be a part of the, these gambling stuff, guys, just kind of gambling in the markets. No, have a strategy, please. All right, so we're going to talk soon, and it was nice talking to you guys, and bye for now.